Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a GIF to Mailchimp. I'll come here at the top right and click on create. Here on all campaigns, we'll go ahead and create a new campaign. I'll go ahead and name it GIFs. Okay. And then we'll click on create email. Oh, we almost misspelled that. There we go. That looks much better. And we'll just go ahead and choose any basic layout. Doesn't really matter for this. And I'll go ahead and pick this one right here, minimal. Okay, we'll do it this one. Now here you see image, right? You just drag and drop this. So here, I drag and drop the image. If you don't have this image thing, it's okay. You just drag and drop it, right? And click on add image. And here you'll see Jiffy. Click on Jiffy. And here you can go ahead and search for files. So let's say, for example, cute. We'll search for cute. So right now we'll see different GIFs. So we have this cute cat's kawaii. So I can go ahead and put this one in. Okay, whatever you search for, you'll get a lot of results. As you can see right here, you can toggle this one on if you want a much better layout. And if you want to increase your search results for your page, you can go ahead and do that as well. Or you can reduce that if you want it to show a little bit more bigger images. All right, so I will go ahead and pick this one right here. We'll do this one, Patrick. We'll just go and click on insert. Okay, as you can see right here, we have our GIF in our email. It's really that easy and simple.